Hi, and welcome to week 5 of American Lit. This week, we're going to turn the tables a little bit. You've been reading women authors for 2 weeks, and so now we're going to turn to a couple of masculine authors and some kind of exciting adventure stories. So it'll be a little bit of a change of pace. We're going to be looking at Jack London's To Build a Fire and Stephen Crane's Open Boat. These are examples of literary naturalism, which was an extension of realism, and you may want to go back to pages 10 and 11 in your text and review these concepts and the history behind these literary movements. But basically, 2 main ideas shaped literary naturalism, and one was the fact that our lives are shaped by forces beyond our control. And specifically in these 2 stories, those forces are going to center around the acts of nature. And then secondly, Darwin's theory of evolution, which was not written about humans, but still, particularly his theory on survival of the fittest, tended to be applied to humans in general. So think about those 2 concepts as you read these 2 stories. Crane's Open Boat is actually an account of a true story of a shipwreck that he was involved in off the coast of Florida. Crane's To Build a Fire takes place in the Yukon near the Arctic Circle. Think about how much or how little control these men have over their eventual fates. Think about how survival is determined by the fittest. Apply these ideas. You'll do a thinking piece this week on each one of the stories. There's no critical response paper, but you'll do 2 thinking pieces on these 2 stories. So think about how those concepts fit. Apply those concepts to the story, and you'll be great. So have an awesome read, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.